lot different out here. Cook lot them. Greetings and welcome, folks. Nice. So on today's video, we're gonna do a cookout by Boogeyman's Auto Garage, also known as Rakesh Auto Garage, located at Monroe Road, 1+1 Supermarket, Caljam Oil, right before Caljam Oil by this plant place. Nice. So I now see Boogeyman reach. Man said he was going to be here since 8 a.m. Now it's 10 a.m. The man now reach. We're gonna cook up some duck, some stew chicken, a little this and that. I ain't too sure where's the menu, so we're gonna see what's going on there. Nice, folks. Things happening here. We have man like Talkari there. Talkari is the helper here. Introduce yourself there. Talkari from where?
From Castleford.
Nice. That the man offloading chairs. You see what we have here. We have the cooler here with some ice. Oh, we have chicken and stuff there. We have utensils there. We have the stove here. Some seasoning there. Locally grown. Nice tables and stuff so that we get things moving here. Nice. All this in preparation. Man, I have a pong table to open it. Again, sure?
Nice.
Look.
Look.
Yeah, things happening here. Nice, some duck gonna be going there and horse there. Some duck in that one, some stew chicken in that one. We have some nice ingredients here to organize up. Shadabeni, this side, pimento, we have some lemon, some onion, some garlic and hot pepper. Right, while I like Takari organizing up some garlic and thing there, we're making a list here to go in the grocery. Yeah. Make a list and check it twice. Nice. Alright, folks, so we head into 1+1 Supermarket to get some ingredients. Nice grocery shopping now. Yeah. We don't get the curry, salt, coconut milk, turmeric. Yeah, this is the main ingredient. Right, it's using almost everything. Yep. Easy to wash the pot. Gotta get a pot scrubber. Where the pot scrubber? Gotta find the pot scrubber in a bit. Next ingredient is sugar. Need sugar to stew the chicken. We do want a big sugar. Alright, we go settle for something like this. Yeah. We change the brand. We're gonna settle for premium harvest sugar. Tin kasok. Yeah, right. So we're looking for some potatoes now. Potato wrong there. Yep. How much?
Yeah.
One?
Yeah.
One pack of potato. Yeah. Nice, Solia. So we get we box of ingredients here. We go and prep and cook after. Boogeyman Garage. Nice. Cheers before the cookout start. Cheers. Alright, so that's the operation. Man peeling up our garlic here. I go and handle up some seasoning, wash up them pot, put them pot on the stove and have it waiting there for the fire start to blaze. Yeah, and the vibe's nice so far. Me and the prep alone in the house right now. Chicken are clean, duck are in the cooler there. Things happening here. Slow but sure. Nice, folks. So, man washing chicken there. Me I organize the fresh green seasoning here for the meats. There are a lot of preparation to do before the cook start. Yep. Garlic. Nice, folks. There you are. We look in the Trini fresh green seasoning. About the curry? Yeah, man. Right, while we don't make we season here, we man chopping them chicken.
From sun up till sunset, we'll dance and sing.
Man, a peel potato there,
This
better known as aloo.
is the joy
Yeah.
it brings.
Right, so we're trying to light our coals here to roast chicken. Again, show you.
This moment, we'll never stray. We celebrate.
Nice, so this we keep chicken to smoke that we duck there.
Every bite, we're having fun.
Chicken in the side.
Laughter echoes in the breeze.
You could put them coals on top of the stove. Yeah. Chicken to stew there. Season on the side there. Potato. Onion. Nice, so we're gonna season up this for the while. Nice, so we're gonna handle up this chickens here. Put some seasoning. Put some of this garlic and parsley. A lot of it, natural things. And we'll give you some Italian seasoning. Looking like try some kind of leaf. I don't know what kind of leaf really. And we shall put in some of the seasoning sauce over that. We're gonna add a little pepper sauce in it. Now folks, we're doing a roast chicken here.
Everyone's around. In the boogeyman garage, hear the joyful sound. Curry duck simmering, spices
Butter
in the
head
air.
break.
Stew chicken sizzling.
Nice. Now to massaging everything inside the chicken here now.
Sound blowing, laughter fills the
Rub it in, rub it in.
good vibes spread.
Or between the marks that I made.
Feels right. We celebrate life under the sun with every bite. We're having fun, laughter echoes in the breeze. Together, we live in life with ease.
Beautiful. I'm gonna get this on the grill in a bit. Nice, time to deal with this duck and this chicken. Stringy fresh green seasoning on the pot. Yeah.
Golden and crisp. Friends gathering around, enjoy every whiff. From sun up
Beautiful.
till sunset, we'll dance
Yeah.
and sing.
Nice.
This good
Nah, nah.
feast, the
No, we
joy
don't put it around.
it brings.
Where are you? No.
Duck.
The rhythm, let the music play. In
Nice.
this moment,
Chicken now.
we'll never stray. We celebrate
Beautiful.
under the sun. We're
Nice, Uli. I think I add this to the grill here.
having fun.
Your driver, your driver.
Yes, sir.
You are the next one for you there. I'm not that father.
We're live
I have it here.
All right, well, you did.
I'm trying to fit the two chicken inside here. Lovely.
Number now, right?
Yeah. Lovely egg. I said it. Yeah.
in the boogeyman garage.
We can do that right now.
Forever we'll
Top of
stay.
it.
Creating memories.
Nice. So we can deal with this curry duck now. Cut off some onion. Onion. Pot on the fire. Nice. And we have spectators there. Just chilling. Yeah. Back here. Now chief curry today. Yeah, man. We have ingredients here. And we're gonna do a thing. Look at that day. Hey, wickedness there, boy. In the grill. Yeah, proper.
The sun is shining
Nice, we got to deal with this duck now.
around.
some oil to the pot there, not much. Using nice oil to the nice, so we got the curry one side here. Curry, some saffron. First thing first, we got the garlic. The garlic could burn a bit, but not the onion. Alright, let that get slightly brown. Nice, so we gonna add the onion to saute, pepper, pimento. Yeah, what I burn some, we just want to saute a bit. Nice folks, so if I had had meaty and whole range here, I'd have put it there first, but I have that. Nice, we have the curry, saffron and jeera here. Add that to the pot. Let that cook up good, and some water like double cook. Yeah. We have some newcomers there. More aloo peeling. We gotta double cook that curry. Right, so this is how we look in here. Beautiful. Nice, we got stew chicken for the wild hour happening there. Yeah, nice. This in the house there. Check out that thing. And we have this man here. Some wings here. I know we gonna do that. He handling that. So we gonna see what going on with what going on there. I'll go in it. Yes, sir. Nice today. Chicken in our pot. Nice. So I give this a nice turn up here. Nice, good. The man, the assistant from the man himself, man like boogeyman. Yeah, the man administer some coconut to the pot, you know. Yeah. Yeah, that's how I do my thing. Actually, coconut like mixed up here, then add water. Yeah. What go on there, man? Leg in the side there, ring there. Yeah, nice.
The place I belong. I'm gonna be.
Chickpeas.
Everything feels good. We celebrate life under the sun.
Why are we looking this? Nice. First man to take all the man say he belly in his hand. Look at that there. Yeah. Then boy pulling the belly with cards. Nice, my turn now. Yeah. A little hot sauce on the top there. Can't go wrong. Proper. Aha. That curry? Right, we man on inside everything. Enjoy.
Like that so for now.
You buy that crumbs?
Yeah.
Oh. Looking wicked, like that. Looks like it'll come out real decent, like. I got it here anything.
Where's that? Bangkok?
Nice folks. Man like lot of people and love this here. That's very unique. And the vibe just nice over here. Man like chef latte in the house here, cook latte. Yeah. We are not certificate there, but we can cook. Right? We are not certificate, but we can cook. Yeah. Check out the gold and brown that coming out there, man. Yeah, yeah.
And that's why everybody know I'm showing this man what to do here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So they don't interrupt me.
Right, nice, nice.
Before the man messed it up. I lie, this man watching my heart. Is he really doing it?
Yeah. It's like strips, mate. Right folks, we got in this here, everybody having a good time, food done cook, everybody just chilling, all talking, having their drinks and stuff, so hope you all enjoy that cookout. So over and out and see you all in the next one.